Machine learning is at the forefront of the apps that we use every day. It's the technology that's predicting what you'll type next in a text, recognizing your face when you unlock your phone, and even recognizing your voice when you give voice commands. We're making it easier than ever before to learn this cutting-edge technology. Welcome Mobile Machine Learning, a massive 5-tier online course that we've specifically curated on the topic most relevant today for you, whether you're an absolute beginner or even a seasoned app developer. So, why is machine learning important? Well, machine learning enables devices to go above and beyond their basic programming, to examine datasets and make future predictions based on the past, to analyze a situation and react in an intelligent and dynamic way, to think, to reason, and ultimately to learn as we do. In short, machine learning makes our devices much more advanced, capable of solving problems that we once thought impossible to solve. So, why mobile machine learning in particular? Well, we use our mobile devices all day, every day. So, of course we want them to be as sophisticated and easy to use as possible. Machine learning does just that. It enables devices to become more powerful, more personalized, and more convenient. We already see examples of this with text prediction, voice and facial recognition, and even translation software. Every day, more and more apps incorporate machine learning, and those that don't face becoming obsolete. That's why we're releasing this course to teach you how to build machine learning-driven apps for both iOS and Android. There are plenty of courses on machine learning. However, there are next to no courses that focus on mobile machine learning in particular. The first step to our process is to build, train, and test our models, explaining why we structure the models as we do. Now, this is where most courses stop, but ours keeps going. From there, we show you how to build an Android or an iOS app, and how to incorporate the model that we've trained, so that by the end, we have mobile apps that can use the full power of machine learning. We provide clear, concise explanations at each step along the way, so that you can not only replicate, but also understand and expand upon what we teach. We start at level 1, where you learn the essentials of all the free tools that we need. At level 2, we teach you how to build and train real machine learning models, and together, we build a digit recognizing app for Android. At level 3, we build 3 apps for scientific data analysis, including both stock market and weather prediction models. At level 4, we build 3 more apps, this time that harness the power of image recognition for faces and other objects. And at level 5, we learn how to make our models faster and more efficient. And of course, we build 3 more sophisticated apps. This is a one-stop shop into mobile machine learning. We take beginners and make them into experts. We at Mammoth Interactive have made online courses since 2011 to over 400,000 students in over 176 countries. You learn over-the-shoulder style by following along with us as we teach you everything that you need to know about making an app from scratch and incorporating machine learning technology into it.
Here's how it works. You create an account on our training site where you can view our videos anytime. On the online app, you can download videos to view offline. You can track your progress and get lifetime access to all the content, including source code.
So don't get left behind as technology changes the way that we interact with our phones. With our online course accessible anywhere in the world, online at any time, you have no excuse not to learn the #1 in-demand skill today.